Welcome to our channel. If you want to connect your phone to your Toyota Camry via Bluetooth, follow these step-by-step instructions to pair your device with the car's audio system. Step 1. Start your Toyota Camry and make sure the infotainment system is powered on. The screen should display the main menu with various options. Step 2. Press the menu button on the dashboard or touchscreen, then select Setup or Settings from the available options. Step 3. Choose Bluetooth from the Settings menu. The system will display options for pairing new devices or managing existing connections. Step 4. Select Add New Device or Pair New Device. Your Camry will enter pairing mode and begin searching for available Bluetooth devices nearby. Step 5. On your smartphone, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and turn on Bluetooth if it is not already enabled. Wait for your phone to scan for devices. Step 6. Look for your Toyota Camry or a name like Camry Audio in the list of available devices on your phone. Tap on it to initiate pairing. Step 7. Confirm the pairing code displayed on both your phone and the car's screen match. If they match, accept the pairing request on both devices. Step 8. Grant any permissions requested by the car system, such as access to contacts and call history, to enable full functionality. Your phone is now connected and ready to use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.